Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 234. Real quick before we get started, please do remember to like, subscribe, and share our videos with someone else you think might enjoy them. It really helps the channel out. All right, so let's start with this box. We're missing 5 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 8, an 8 here, and a 4 here. So that makes this our 3, that 8 makes this our 4, and this our 8. For this column, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 7, no help here, 5, 7, 9, and no help here, 5, 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 5, 5 and 6 here, so that makes this our 3, 5, 6. That 5 makes this our 7. So we can get rid of these 7s. For this box now, we're missing, oh, we have the 5 there too. So that makes this our 9 and our 5. So now for this box, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. And this 5 makes this our 8, 5. For this row now, we're missing a 2. For this column, looks like we're missing 7 and 9. I don't see any help. If we look at this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 and a 9 here, so this is our 3. No other help. So 5, 9, 5, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got the 1 here, so 7, 8. No help here, 1, 7, 8, and an 8 here, so 1, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got a 1 here and an 8 here, so that makes this our 6. This 8 makes this our 1, 8. That 1 makes this our 7. 7 makes this our 8 and 1. For this column now, we're missing a 7. For this row, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box, then we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. And this 5 makes this our 9, 5. For this column, then we're missing a 7. 7 makes this our 9, 7. For this box, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 2, 9. For this row now, we're just missing a 4. For this row, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. So for this column, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got the 7 here, so 9, 7. So for this box, we're missing a 9. And this box, we're missing a 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.